have you here at your home with your loved ones, Jules. I want to tell you that I love you very much. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. From the people who love you the most.
Thanks.
And who you love the most.
Thanks.
You've been very patient.
Thank you.
I just want to let you know that I love you.
Thank you.
And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Oh my gosh,
Will
thank
you marry me?
Yeah. This is so exciting.
Jeez, you didn't even wave at me.
Julia. That is so
exciting.
Oh my God.
Thank
Fancy.
you.
I'm having a little cry.
I wasn't expecting this. Thank you.
Hi, Julia and Dan. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you for the flowers. They're so pretty. Thank you.
It did.
Love you.
Oi.
Thank you.
Give your mom and dad a hug.
My darling daughter.
Stop.
Fancy. Oh my goodness. Is this the most exciting thing in the world?
So crazy. I
Huh?
wasn't expecting
You're a little bit, the rug has been pulled from under your
Yeah.
feet. Hey?
Yeah.
Let me give Dan a big hug.
this. Hi, guys.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
We are so happy. So
Thank
happy.
you.
Oh my God. It feels like a dream.
My mom
Really excited.
Thanks, Dad. This is
Julia.
beautiful.
Oh,
You like
that
it?
Yeah.
beautiful. Oh my gosh, my darling, is that
Thanks.
gorgeous?
Thank you.
Mom, would you?
That's
Mom,
very
can you back up a little bit?
Thank you.
That's very, go to Guy.
Yeah.
Show her your ring. Wait.
Hold on.
Hold
Need a
on,
pen
you.
here.
Yeah. Oh my
Good.
God, is that beautiful? Julia.
This is really
I
nice.
need
Thank
my
you.
glasses.
So there's a little story behind the ring that I need to tell you.
Okay.
So my great-grandmother, her name was Mildred Ullman. She went by Mimi, and she was the matriarch of our family. And everyone loved her and adored her. She was born in 1896 and passed away when I was 6 years old in 1991. But she lived in Maryland, and I got to see her all the time. She and I were very close. And you remind me of her in so many ways. And I love you so much. And she had a diamond necklace that this diamond came from and was passed to me when she passed away. And that diamond is now on this ring.
Thank you.
And it means a lot to me and my family that you'll carry her memory moving forward.
Thank you.
And I hope you like it.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
That is so meaningful.
Thank you.
Dad, you think your mom's going to be a little bit excited with
I
that?
think so.
Thank
Mildred's
you.
going to be excited.
Huh? Happy, how's this for a surprise?
Tissue. I was just expecting it.
I shall talk.
Bring